frequently asked questions for Pembina Trails Early College. Which schools in Pembina Trails can my child attend while at PTEC?
When students are accepted into PTEC, they have the opportunity to attend 2 schools. For grade 9, students attend their host high school, either Oak Park, Vincent Massey, or Shaftesbury in the morning, and then take divisional transportation or city transportation to PTEC, which is located at the University of Manitoba campus at the Smart Park Innovation Hub.
Can my child attend if they are in French Immersion?
Students that are enrolled in the French Immersion program in Pembina Trails have the opportunity to attend PTEC and continue with their French Immersion. In grade 9, they must be enrolled in either Oak Park or Vincent Massey Collegiate.
Can my child stay at their middle school and finish their grade 9 year there and then move to high school?
When students are accepted into PTEC, they must transfer to a high school. High schools are essential for our PTEC programming as they work on the semester system. For example, if your child is in grade 8 and is attending Acadia, Acadia does not work in the semester system and therefore cannot be part of PTEC programming.
How does my child get back and forth between schools?
PTEC is a divisional school, and therefore, Pembina Trails School Division has provided divisional transportation for students that need it. It is always recommended that students find their own way back and forth between their host high school and Smart Park. But if this is not an option, then we do support students in getting back to their home community and here to Smart Park with divisional transportation. We will be asking families to respond to a survey that we will send out before the grade 9s attend for their first year.
Can my child go to university after grade 12?
In grade 11, PTEC students attend a post-secondary, which is MITT, to complete their software developer or cyber defense and cloud administration programming. This does not limit their ability to apply to university. They have every option that any other student does, and entrance into university is based on their compulsory courses.
Is everyone accepted?
We would love the opportunity to have every student that applied to PTEC to be accepted. However, only 32 students are accepted each school year. We have a lottery that has taken place for the past 3 years at our divisional board office. During that time, we draw names to choose the first 32 students, and then we draw names to put the first person on the waiting list so that people know how far down they are on the waiting list. To give you an example, last year we had 32 students accept and 50 students on the waiting list.
How do you decide who is accepted?
Every grade 8 student in Pembina Trails has the opportunity to apply to PTEC. We do not require any report card, any interview, or any aptitude test to enter. Everybody has the opportunity to have a chance to be enrolled at PTEC. Once we have all the applications in and the due date has come, then we choose through lottery who will be our first 32 students.
Are there any extracurricular activities?
PTEC doesn't have the space in our building that typical high schools do, and nor are our extracurricular clubs. We have clubs such as Dungeons and Dragons, Cyber Patriot, and Games Club, also esports.
If my child has been accepted and decides PTEC is not for them, will it affect them negatively?
If students are accepted into PTEC, we stress to the student and the parent that they think very hard about their decision to attend PTEC for the next 4 years. These are extremely sought-after seats, and we do want our students to make sure that this is exactly what they want to do. If, however, they decide that during the first month this is not for them, we do help transition the student either back to their former school or into their new high school to make sure that they don't miss any credits.
Do students receive a laptop?
At PTEC, we supply all students with 2-in-1s or laptops. This is essential for our students as most of their core or compulsory courses requires them to use technology. PTEC students receive a laptop or a 2-in-1 at the beginning of grade 9. They continue with this laptop or 2-in-1 until the end of grade 10, where they bring it back to the school and are responsible for purchasing their own laptop for college in grades 11 and 12.
Where do students eat their lunch?
A common question from students is, where do I eat my lunch if I'm traveling to PTEC? The answer is whenever they can. We do have a microwave at Smart Park, which allows students to warm up their meal. There is a cafeteria on the main floor of Smart Park, which allows them to order lunch, or they can pick up lunch at their cafeteria, at their host school, or bring a bag lunch.
What does the schedule look like for grades 9, 10, 11, and 12?
In grade 9, students attend their host high school for their compulsory courses, and in the afternoon they attend PTEC. In grade 10, it's flipped. In grade 10, during the morning, they attend PTEC, and in the afternoon, their host high school. And once entering into post-secondary, the grade 11s attend their host high school in the morning and MITT in the afternoon. In grade 12, they attend MITT in the morning and their host high school in the afternoon.
How can I find out more information about PTEC or ask a question?
To find out more information about PTEC, visit our website at pembinatrails.ca/schools/early college. Call us at 204-560-1999. Email us at ptec@pembinatrails.ca, or visit our virtual open house and click on Ask a Question.